Welcome to the new video. I am Salman and you're watching my channel. Please subscribe the channel and click at bell icon. In the last video, we discussed about ANOVA and the basic concepts and key related terms. Here in this video, we are going to discuss the further details of one-way ANOVA. A one-way ANOVA is used to compare two or more means from two or more independent or unrelated groups using the F distribution. The null hypothesis H0 for the test is that the two means or more means are equal. Therefore, a significant means that the two means are unequal. Here we can take example when to use a one-way ANOVA. For example, in one situation, you have a group of individuals randomly split into smaller groups and completing different tasks. For example, you might be studying the effects on tea on weight loss. And from three groups like green tea, black tea, and no tea. Let's take another situation, similar to the situation 1, but in this case, the individuals are split into groups based on an attribute they possess. For example, you might be studying leg strength of people according to the weight. You could split participants into weight categories like obese, overweight, and normal and measure their leg strength on a weight machine. Further, there are few assumptions of one-way ANOVA. First assumption is normal distribution of populations. The second assumption is populations have equal variances for each condition. And third, randomness and independence of error. Here we can take an example. As a researcher, you want to see if three food supplements have different mean milk yields. You assign 15 cows, 5 per food supplement. So data is further given in the table. Practically imply ANOVA one-way test, we will use this example. You can see as a researcher you want to see if three food supplements have different mean milk yields. You assign 15 cows, 5 per food supplement. So data is given in this table. Here food 1, food 2 and food 3. There are 3 supplements and you can see there are different cows, 15 cows and N is 15 and P is 3 food supplements are there. So how to imply ANOVA test? So taking this same example that as a researcher you want to see if three food supplements have different milk yields, you assign 15 cows, 5 per cow supplement and all the data is given in this table similar to the previous one. So here we have sample size 15 and population 3 food supplements. So how we can calculate? So first of all, we will see here in this data that the score of variance and degree of freedom and all the information is given. What we will do, we will go to the home and again click at data, then we will go to the data tab and then we can see there are many options available. The first option, ANOVA single factor, we will select and then we have to select the different columns of the first table where there are 3 food supplements and we need to select all. Once we will select all and click here, we just click at column, so we will select column with alpha value of 0.05 and just click OK. So you will see that a new sheet will open and all the results are computed. So you can see here what we need to see here. First of all, we need to see what is the value of F and F critical. So if F critical is bigger than F, then we can not reject H0. But if F value is more than bigger than F critical, so in both solutions, so we will by using manually or by using Excel data pack, we will reject null hypothesis. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and click at bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you.